Quick disclaimer, this Addot bidet was given to me for my honest review. Here's a quick unboxing so that you know what to expect once you receive this product. I'm glad to see that this item is sealed since it is a bidet, so be rest assured that this product hasn't been used and returned. Inside of the box, you will have a couple of things for installation, which I will cover in some detail, as well as the bidet. As I quickly glance at the instruction manual, it has simple and clear instructions to install for left-handed use or right-handed use. And you'll also need a couple of tools like an adjustable wrench and a screwdriver. Now let's go through the accessories. Here you have two different color options for the knob, as well as a silver option already installed. You have two caps here are used to align the openings on a toilet to the bidet. This adapter piece connects to the water line, and a washer to prevent leakage, as well as Teflon tape for more leakage prevention. Now this water hose will connect from your water line adapter to your bidet. Now let's take a closer look at the actual bidet here. Now this bidet looks like a porcelain color white, so it should match nicely with your toilet. It doesn't feel like a very cheap product. Here are the sprayers. One is for the front region and one is for the rear region. Now here's what the bidet looks like after it is installed onto the toilet. To engage the sprayers, you simply turn to the left for the front and turn to the right for the rear. The water will be cold, so that may take a little getting used to, but other than that, the bidet blends in nicely with the rest of the toilet, and I hope this video was helpful.